Hey friends, Vikar here from Crown Cricketer. We're here today to review some of the best batting leg guards available in the local market. We're talking about the traditional leg guards for today. We're not going into the molded two-strap ones, which are more lightweight and very light on your legs. And today we'll be reviewing the traditional ones, which are the three-strap ones, and some of the best-selling ones in store I've got on display for you guys. And so let's start quickly with the SS test opener first. These are one of the most popular leg guards we have in store, and you see a lot of international cricketers wearing the exact same leg guard. So let me show you these leg guards first. These are one model below the SS Matrix, which is top of the range in the SS lineup, but these are the highest selling ones, and anyone looking for a professional leg guard invariably ends up picking up one of these. So let me quickly show you the inside padding. You have the knee protector, a very soft knee protector. It's got a mesh around, and you see the straps. It's got lovely padded straps inside, so it doesn't hurt when it pulls against your leg. So the straps are of good quality. You've got the SS branding. Of course, the players are restricted with their branding on their leg guard, but the commercial ones have the SS branding inside, and it also has a good amount of Rexine at the bottom. It's a very nice soft material, so this will last long, because the most wear and tear on the leg guard is towards the bottom. So I like what SS have done. They've given you a piping. Probably this piping could have been a better material. You could have probably gone in with a leather piping here, but this Rexine one also seems pretty alright. And in front, it's got canes. In front, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 canes on the face. With the this is a right-hand leg guard, so it's got the padding on the left side, and it's got the SS branding as well. So this is a pretty good, thick, comfortable leg guard which you can look to buy. So let's have a look at both the pads together. We've got the back as well. So these are the SS test opener. These are priced at 3,460 rupees. You can look to buy one of these. All these 4 leg guards I've got are all priced more or less the same. These are the MRF Grand Edition. These are priced at 3,550 MRP. So pretty close to the SS. Let's quickly have a look at one of these. So let me show you the inside again. This also has the knee protector, top of the line. This is the MRF Grand Edition. This falls below the Elite, but this is one of the popular ones from MRF. One thing I can notice here is the thickness, because this seems to be much thinner than the SS and the other models, which I'll be showing you later. So these are probably the lightest ones. I should show you the measurement. These are the lightest out of the 4. And first I'll show you the SS ones. I haven't weighed them for you. So the SS one weighs 886 grams. So if I've got the machine, I don't think you can see the machine. So this is 886 grams for one leg guard. So let's look at the MRF ones, the MRF Grand Edition. The SS had 6 canes in front, but the MRF has only 3. So this one is a soft foam on either sides, and only the 3 in between have the cane. So probably protection might not be as good as the SS on the MRF. This one weighs about 830 grams. So this is lighter by about 30-40 grams compared to the SS. So, but again, the protection is not the greatest. It's got the padded straps like the SS, and also the bottom is mesh they have used, and with the piping at the bottom. So I'm not sure how long lasting this would be. Probably one cause for concern, but the knee protector is good. The pad is a little flimsy, a little thin, so I'm not sure what kind of protection this will provide. Let's move on to the next one. We have a Bass Player Edition, Bass Vampire Player Edition leg guard. We see a lot of cricketers wearing this. Mandeep Singh, you have Parthiv Patel, you have a lot of international cricketers wearing the same leg guard. So this is very, very chunky, feels very, very thick protection in the hand. Seems to be one of the best qualities we have seen. It's got, let's open one of the straps. It's got padded covers, padded straps again. Got the Bass branding, nice buckle. Even inside it's got your mesh on the sides, and it's got a very nice knee protection right inside. So probably the thickest and the chunkiest out of the ones we have seen so far, I would say, the Bass Player Edition. Even at the bottom, it's got a very nice fabric, and this is more like a suede right at the bottom. It looks pretty long lasting. It should hold your wear and tear, and the foam also is top quality. It's pretty thick, and I think this will last. This is built to last, and it's one of the better ones we've seen. So I would rate this very, very high, the Bass Player's leg guard. They might not be the lightest. These are 894 grams for one, so it's about 20 grams more than the SS and about 50 grams more than the MRF. But again, you must also give credit to Bass for providing such thick cushioning on the pad, and this seems to be one of the most safest leg guard you can buy. And it's got canes in front. So what Bass have done is they have given a foam in between, and then they've given one cane towards the outside of the leg guard, and then it's got 3 canes right in the center, and then it's got 1 cane right at the inside, so that the deflection is pretty noisy on this side. So this one is one of the best ones I have seen. It's got a black inside and it's got the white one outside. So this is priced at 3,600. Again, very similar to both the models, but I would rate this as the most premium quality I've seen so far. The last one I've got is SG. SG has to be among the top 5. It's one of the best makers of pads and gloves and all your cricket equipment. So let's take a look. This is the latest SG Test White. This is priced at 3,500, which is 100 rupees lesser than the Bass. So all 4 are very similarly priced. So let's look at the leg guards. This is an all-white version. So those of you who like an all-white test leg guard, then this is the best one. And then if you want the off-white one, which is the old one, which we have seen as the SG Test, that is also pretty much available in the market. So you can choose one of the two, whether you want the full white one or the beige one, the cream one, or the off-white one. So both models are available. So this is an all-white latest launch. Again, same price as the others. This also seems pretty thick in terms of comfort. It's very, very chunky to hold, and let's look at the front. It's got 3 canes in the front. It's got foams on the side. Unlike Bass, which had one more cane right at the end and the other side, SG have used foam on both sides and just had 3 canes in between. So that way I think Bass will hold good when you're playing really fast bowling, when it has to take the impact. It's got more canes on it, and the top flap is also very good. It's got a leather finish inside. I think this finish is one of the best I've seen out of all the leg guards. So it's got the SG branding. It's got a knee protector here. SG have used cotton fabric here inside, so I'm not sure how long lasting this would be compared to the Bass. If I have to show you again, this is a mesh. This I think will take a lot of sweat, a lot of wear and tear. So I think SG can look to change this inside protection maybe to the mesh which they have used at the bottom. So they have mesh on both sides, and then they have cotton here. So maybe that's one thing SG can look at changing. It's got the knee protector inside, good quality one. Let's have a look at the strap. It's got the padded strap. All of them have pretty similar ones. So this looks pretty rugged, and this should last long. Right at the bottom, SG have used a nice synthetic leather, so this is also pretty long lasting. I like the Bass one, which has the suede at the bottom, so that is more leatherish compared to these. So this Rexine also should last, and they've gone with a white piping at the bottom. So it's got a very nice strap here right at the bottom. So this is the SG Test White. These are priced at 3,499. Let's see how much they weigh. These are also 890, same as the Bass. So the Bass and SG are 890, and you have SS which is 870, and then you have MRF which is lighter at 840, 850. So it's a matter of 10-20 grams. Doesn't really, you can't really feel it on the ground once you wear it and run around. But in terms of protection, I like the Bass the best. In terms of fit and comfort, I would go with SS and the SG. That's the most fastest selling ones, the best selling ones across the range. So let me know, guys, what you think about this video. Take care.